Get ready. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click the 2010 pie chart tab. Click the 2010 title. Move the insertion point to the end of the label and click. Type a space and then type annual sales. The text appears in all caps based on the current layout. Select the label box and click the Home tab and click the Font dialog box launcher. Click the All Caps checkbox to uncheck this option. Click OK. Click the Format tab and click the Text box button. Click the bottom left corner of the chart area and type your initials and today's date in the text box. Edit the chart titles on each of the charts as follows. Save the workbook.